morning everybody. So today we are off to Universal to go do the Harry Potter thing and everything else. So looking forward to that. It's going to be a good day. The sun is shining today after the miserable day we had yesterday. It is supposed to rain a bit later, but as long as it holds out for this morning, then that's a winner. So yeah, these cars are brilliant. I mean, look, you can just load a buggy in it. You don't even have to fold it down. Just whip it out the other end. Hey presto. So much easier. I'm so gonna consider buying one of these when I get back to the UK. Obviously not one of these because they don't sell these in the UK, but something similar. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day at Universal. So City Walk, before you get into the parks, is basically just restaurants and shops of really cool and tasty things. It stays open quite late, so you can come in here for the evenings, do some late night shopping or food. Got Hard Rock Cafe as well around here, as well as various other places. So it's a pretty good place to come in the evening if you want to come and chill out and eat some nice food and buy some nice and expensive things. And it's all good. Apparently that's the rave, the cowfish. It's supposed to be really good. Are you excited about today, Callum? What are you looking forward to?
Look, Daddy.
What is it?
Trolls.
Is it? It is Trolls, yeah. Are you looking forward to Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to come on the Harry Potter rides with us?
What is the happening in that one?
Islands of Adventure. So we're going to start in Islands of Adventure because it's supposed to rain this afternoon. And Islands of Adventure, hold on, has more outside rides. Whereas the Universal side has more indoor rides. So if it rains, it's not a problem. What, Callum? It is Hulk Smash. It is warm today. Are you hot?
Very hot.
Really, really hot?
Really hot.
Really, really hot. Yeah, that's what she's going for. She's headed for the shade.
Why do you like this one?
So we've just been on the Hulk, and what did you think to the Hulk?
Awesome, really good.
Yeah, it's a really good ride. It's just so spaced out. You can see everything that's come in. It's nice and smooth. It's yeah, it's always a winner, that one. We did the parent swap system on it, which is really good. So basically, careful. So whoever is in your party that can't go on because they have to look after the kids, they basically just go to the exit of the ride. They sit like in this little room, and then you just basically swap over once you get off the ride and they go straight on, which is really good, so no one has to wait any extra. Yeah, it's a good one.
Spider-Man, aren't we, Robert?
We are, yes.
Yeah. We're just looking at all the theming.
Very immersive.
It is. Let's look at these trophies. What's this from? Spider-Man's high school. Yeah, we're thinking of stealing one because we've got a bit of a board game competition going on, and the winner wins a trophy at the end. So we're going to buy one from the Harry Potter section. Winner takes it home, which will obviously be me and Robert, which will not be me. Will not be me. Even though Lucy really wants it to. We're just heading through the queue now. It said it was a 40-minute wait, but it's actually moving very quickly, so hopefully it won't be 40 minutes. Callum! Woo! Fell over. What was that? Lots of little things for the children to do. Callum's been very brave this holiday, considering he won't normally go on the supermarket car rides and doesn't want any pennies in them in case they move. He has done a lot of rides. Anything you want to add, Amy? Really? No, you've done a very good job there. Thank you.
No, this queue's moving very fast. I don't think it'll be 40 minutes.
Got a nice screen there showing us a little Spider-Man
to watch
movie.
Spider-Man.
Keeps us entertained while we're waiting. We've just actually got a disability pass, so we don't have to queue up on most rides, but you can only do one at a time. So we're just currently waiting on Hulk. We've got to go back in about 20 minutes to ride Hulk. So we thought we'd just put up with the queue here. I haven't been on Hulk before, so that'll be a new experience. You've been on Hulk, Amy? It's very good, yeah. Yeah? I like it. Yeah. I didn't go on a roller coaster till I was 26 years old. I'm now 31 and I've been on a few. But last time I was here, I'd only just started going on roller coasters and it looked a bit too much for me. But now it looks alright, so I'm going to give it a go. Are you going to give it a go? Anyway, I'm going to carry on with the queue and enjoy the theming, and I will pass you back to Robert.
What did you think of the King Kong ride, Callum?
It was very scary.
It was very scary.
Of course, the gorilla saved us get the dinosaur.
The gorilla saved us, didn't he? He punched the dinosaur, didn't he?
Yeah, because the gorilla got the dinosaur through the whole
He did.
guile. He got him in the water.
He did.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put him in the water, didn't he? Oh, what?
And he smacked his head off.
He did snap his head off, yes. Yeah. Operations are not good on King Kong today. They've only got one train going around. I don't know if that's normal, but we went in the fast pass and we still had to queue for about half an hour. And it's not because of how busy the park is. It's just they're not getting people on and off quick enough. They're not dispatching quick enough. It's a shame. If I'd have queued in the normal queue for that, I'd have been very disappointed. The ride itself, though, is good. The big King Kong at the end with the animatronics is brilliant. It's very well done. But yeah, just that waiting has let it down massively. Hiya. Say hiya. So this is what happens when there's a rainstorm. Everyone runs for cover until it passes.
Hopefully it shouldn't be too long.